Hello there and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. My fingernails are definitely in need of some TLC, so I'm giving myself an at-home gel nail manicure and I'm using the brand Nail Reserve. So as you can see, I've got two really nice neutral colors here, and at this point I hadn't decided which one I was going to use, so I'm showing you both. The first one is Sweater Weather. It's a soft beige that I hope will pair well with everything in my wardrobe. And the other one is this beautiful, deep, rich chocolate color called Persephone. So I've got the two polishes, and then I have the top coat and the base coat, so I can go ahead and get started. I start my manicures by first pushing back my cuticles. I'm adding a dab of gel cuticle remover to all 10 fingers. Then, per the directions, I let it sit for 45 seconds. I rub it in a little bit too, just to make sure I have the entire cuticle area covered. Now, I prefer a medical cuticle pusher, but you can certainly use a wooden one or the orange stick. I think that's what it's called. However you do it, just be gentle with your nails. Now here's what my fingers look like after removing my cuticles, and here's what they look like after I've clipped, shaped, and buffed my nails. Plus I applied some cuticle oil. Now this step is optional, but I swiped just a wee bit of acetone polish remover over my nails to remove any excess oil. Now let's get started with the base coat. When you apply your base coat, be sure to apply just a thin layer. You don't want it on very thick. After the base coat and after every coat of gel polish, actually, just be sure you cure for 30 to 60 seconds. Alright guys, I decided to go with sweater weather. It just sounds so cozy and I think I'll really like it. At least I hoped I would at this time. Now with gel polish, you can apply up to 3 coats of this polish for full coverage, but just remember to apply thin layers, and then in between each one of your coats, make sure that you are curing your polish under the UV or LED lamp. And also remember to shake your polish before you use it. This gel nail polish is really thick, so just make sure you shake it really well. And when you're applying your polish, wipe off any excess that might get on your skin before you cure it. Otherwise, once it's cured, it's there to stay. Alright, I have made it to the final step in my gel polish manicure, and that's applying the top coat. So you want to completely cover the color with your clear top coat, making sure you avoid the skin. After you apply that nice thin layer of your top coat, just like before, make sure you cure it for 30 to 60 seconds. After that, you are all done.